Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show! Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what?
I feel like a foot room, but my boobs are huge! 料理は愛情おいしくよ Hello! Good morning, good morning We talked the whole night through Good morning, good morning to you
Thank you, come again.
My God, are you still?
Okay, let's go! Okay.
Okay. Oh yes! Go go go!
I'm going to connect with the kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye!
Okay. Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go! The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Mario's gonna do something very illegal.
Bye.
Okay.
Amazing!
Here I go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time!
We're in trouble now.
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I got an idea! Here we go!
Thanks, Pally.
Come on!
Okay, okay.
Here I go!
Wow!
Here we go!
Woohoo!
I'm ready!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah, boy.
Ta-da!
Wow! Congratulations!
I like that.
Amazing! Bror, niemand point!
Oh, yeah. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Hey, what happened?
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Nicer, nicer!
You're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come.
Aha!
Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Come on!
You're a great team.
Nicer, nicer! Oh yeah!
Bye.
Okay, let's go!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz. I want you to release her.
Okay.
Right.
Good gravy!
Get in here, you little...
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer, nicer!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Okay.
Wow! Amazing!
Here we go.
Oh, hello.
Here I go.
Okay.
Ta-da! Yahoo!
Bye.
Let's go!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye-bye! Woohoo! Oh, yes!
Goodbye.
Yay! Oh no! Wow! Congratulations!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, let's go!
Bye-bye. Yahoo! We're in trouble now. Okay. Woohoo! We're in trouble now. We're in trouble now.
Yummy, yummy.
Come here, Ma! Get in here, you little bastard! Yeah!
Don't call me honey.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh my god! Yahoo!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make them ice cream fun.
Let's go!
Going, we're going!
Gary!
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Stick to my darling.
Come on, step it up!
Cats in the creek are
Oh my god!
No, 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 no.
Looking cool, Joker!
Hey, what happened?
Hey, you, let's go.
Gary!
Come on, step it up!
Okay.
Here I go!
I'm ready to put on a show!
Here I
Whoa! Amazing! My God, are you still talking?
go! Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
We're in trouble now.
Wow!
Sunshine, good morning.
Ja, det som gick då vet att det är man kan inte göra sådär. Ja, man kan inte vara... Ja, man vet inte vilket som är meddelat nu.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
やれば愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜ
Oh, yes! Bye-bye! Oh, det skulle vara en liten vash. Ja, det som gick då vet att...
Okay.
Good job!
Here we go!
Ja, man kan inte vara... Ja, man vet inte vilket...
Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Going to get some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some money.
Bye! Okay.
Good job! Amazing! Ja, man vet inte vilket som är meddelat nu.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Ho ho!
Uh-oh! No way!
Wow! It's magical!
Come on, boy!
Woo! Let's go!
We're going!
Yes? In trouble now.
Yummy.
Hello, Ed boys. Don't call me honey.
Go, go, go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Wow, amazing!
Yeah!
Hello.
Here I go!
Yeah.